So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone keypad lagging after iOS 17 latest update. Lot of iPhone users reported that issue. Even I'm also facing this kind of issue on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So in this video I will show you how we can fix that issue. So let's start video without wasting any time. There are some method to fix that issue. Firstly, move to the first solution. The first solution is open iPhone settings. Okay, in settings app you need to tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that. Okay, tap on reset and select, you can see a person screen, reset keyboard dictionary. Just select that option and reset your keyboard dictionary. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. It's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just go and force to restart your iPhone and easily fix that issue. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS and it will fix your keypad lagging issue. Just open iPhone settings. Okay, tap on general, tap on software update. Make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update, just update it. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the last solution. The last solution is turn off your iPhone and then turn it on after 5 to 10 seconds and easily fix that. Okay, so friends, by do that simple step you can easily fix that your iPhone keypad lagging after iOS 17 update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.